Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on mortgage applications with Caliber Home Loans, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching Caliber Home Loans. Visit their official website to gather relevant information. Look for current rates and available mortgage products. Next, determine your eligibility. Check your credit score and review your financial situation. Gather necessary documentation, such as incomes. Now, choose the right mortgage type for your needs. Consider options like fixed rate, adjustable rate, or government-backed loans. Evaluate the pros and cons of each type based on your financial goals. Prepare your application. Use Caliber's online application tool for a streamlined process. Fill in all required fields accurately, ensuring your personal information is correct. Submit your application. Double-check for any missing documents or errors. Contact Caliber's support team if you have questions during the submission process. Once submitted, track your application status. Access the online portal to monitor updates. Stay in communication with your loan officer for clarity on any requests. Consider options to reduce your costs. Inquire about discount points that can lower your interest rate. Ask about potential grants or down payment assistance programs. Review loan estimates carefully. Compare offers from Caliber with those from other lenders. Look for any hidden fees that might affect your overall costs. Finalize your mortgage. Schedule a time for the closing meeting with your loan officer. Review all closing documents and confirm the terms before signing. After closing, maintain good financial habits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.